Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their necks just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made.
Alright, what is up, YouTube? Youll 550 here, and I got the fuck did I get? Got the name. The XDI high pressure fuel pump, the not the Evo, just the 35. My car is actually running out of fuel already, and that's why I stopped pulling up top. This is literally exactly what I needed. It comes with the new fuel line, and it looks like it comes with the upgraded fuel sensor. My car down. But here's the pump. There's a hole, and I'll go ahead and make this video a how-to as well. And I'll go ahead and in the comment section, I'll tell y'all to skip to right here. This is where I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna start installing. Bro, shut the fuck up.
How you recording
a fucking video?
Don't you let out the antidote.
Like I was saying, we're just gonna...
Hey, popping pills is all we know.
Can you get the fuck away, you fuck face?
Is this for your YouTube?
Yes, it's for my fucking YouTube.
On YouTube?